Good afternoon. This is my second activity. A big decision I have made. Change of career. Nicolás García Romero, Intermediate English, University Manuel Beltrán. In the year 2010, I began to study philosophy in the UNAT. I studied this career for 2 years, but I realized that I want other goals. In the seventh semester, my performance was bad because I didn't feel fine with this career for various aspects. After that, I decided to do something different with my professional future. That was a good experience. I learned important things for my life. Some of these things were the change of some of the thoughts about certain things, the development of the critical thinking, and other perspective about my life. In the year in the year 2013, I decided to manage to change of career. I began to study video games development in the SENA. I studied this career for 2 years, but I was disappointed for some aspects that happened in these years. In conclusion, I couldn't graduate for this career either. Because that I began to feel bad for I can reach some one of the goals until this moment. In the year 2016, I decided to enter in the University Manuel Beltrán for the career of software engineer. I have studied this career for 2.5 years. I regret for didn't discover my career in the past years, but that's the way life is. Some aspects I like of the University Manuel Beltrán were the methodology of study and the platform. I think my story will have a good ending if I must study hard for graduate of software engineer. Thanks.